Ni suwing pa Sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network anum chakswa, ang Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katinga, katabusyongrang, Puntor Bukra, constituency o ni BJP Doni Mandirang, Kongres o napa, Kongres ni Chadambirang Party ni High Command na, warning ko na. Chugmuk pa Koborrang, Shillong Songjunmani Puntor Bukra, constituency o ni BJP Dol na chakapasa kusutpunga batpale, Skrubar Salo Kongres Dolo napaha, NCP Dol ni candidate Pudes sa Rumnong aro BJP Mandal General Secretary Philby Lingdo, Skrubar Salo sakni Dilgaparang Kongres Bhavan no nariangi, Kongres Party o napaha, Jion Kongres Dol ni Dilgapa, PNCM, Wamangko Dengtang Mancha, Rumchak Suwani ko dakangaha. Bilsi Kugruk Pongarang na kung MLA Shri Hek, Niniro Katani ng o ajatang na wamamang namtapatanirang ko, Raba Dongjani Gamano, Shri PNCM at nangangaha.
Koborrang is a mixed communities constituency where we have different communities, more or less same like Koborrang. So I have no problem to work for my people in Koborrang. In Koborrang also, I think you know, we have many other communities, friends from different communities. So I'm happy to be a candidate from the Koborrang, where many communities are available. The state of Meghalaya has lost the past glory. In fact, Shillong has been known as the educational hub in Northeast India. It has very popular towns in the Northeast India. Now it has come down, maybe educationally, healthcare, economy, employment, revenue. It is because of money power. So my appeal to my people, to the people of the state, that this time we should vote for competence candidate, not businessman candidate. We need a legislator, a policy maker, a lawmaker, not a high level, not a coal transporter contractor. We need lawmaker. We cannot promote the tourism, we cannot promote the state in the field of education without good lawmaking person, without good lawmakers. So this time, I appeal to the people of the state. We should see that the competence, the potential politicians should come up, irrespective of any party, so that we can build up the state in future.
Garhils Congress ni Chadambirang Party ni High Command na warning ko na ha, ar konta kulgrupi ni gise po party oje getal napkapa candidate rang na party ticket ko daw bank pa election no na hachim wako ragat pile gacham candidate no china dabyang jola ha gegetam constituency o Salman para gambegre or silsila ubut parsalo candidate rang ni first list ko Germana parakata ha ye list parakata ko mangwa party o getal napkapa candidate rang achim arya takka crown ja unigamen no youth congress ni general secretary Robert Sangma aga nanga ha Wamang ni warning ko konta kulgrupi ni gisip po kna chakchaw de wamang Congress Bhavan sarao jingjingata ni ko takang skagen ene akan dapangaha
Apa cing apa cengar ken jegal ha baru jegal lang kubian cengar tau cingi hai kamani mandarang na kanta gol pina somai ko nenga kanta gol pini gisip po cengar mamung reply mamung response tongja mo de cengar office angko ba spangge aro cengar party ni kosapo party ni against cengar strike angko ba kangge Jura Congress Bhavan mekhango uni iman cengar daken didian ko dakenga hai kamani mandarang ko bakbakan parti tiket ko elok kayo china kita aro je mangan parti tiket na apply khagi ja parti tiket ko mana achem wa mangko rakal china kita chinga rakken didian ko dakenga aro rakken dia nami ko sapo chinga kamran ko kanggen ne kora sakan ko dakenga
yan dal na Koborrang a niswing ba Sakanti kun mithela